Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Samsung phone to default. So this method will be similar any Samsung phone. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click on to general management, scroll down, then showing it to reset, scroll down, as you can see showing it to factor data reset. So click on to select, showing it to your all data, scroll down, finally click on to reset. Okay, you get this option, and finally click on to delete all, then successfully reset your Samsung phone. So that's it.